Are you ready to supercharge your immune system with the power of nutrition? In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 best foods that can help boost your immunity and keep you feeling your best all year round. From delicious fruits to savory spices, these foods will not only delight your taste buds, but also give your body the defense it needs. So, let's get started. Number 10. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient in boosting immune health. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Plus, they're super refreshing. Number 9. Red bell peppers. Did you know red bell peppers contain twice as much vitamin C as citrus fruits? Not only that, but they are also a great source of beta-carotene, which helps keep your skin healthy and your immune system strong. Number 8. Broccoli. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and antioxidants, broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your plate. It's best to eat it raw or lightly cooked to retain all those immune-boosting nutrients. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic isn't just great for adding flavor to your meals. It's also packed with compounds that help enhance the immune system. Its sulfur-containing compounds, like allicin, have been shown to boost the disease-fighting response of certain white blood cells. Number 6. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger is a fantastic ingredient to add to your diet. It can help reduce inflammation, which can help boost your immune response, and even combat nausea and sore throats. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Streak for more tips on living a healthier life. Number 5. Spinach. This leafy green is not just packed with vitamin C, but also with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune systems. Light cooking enhances its vitamin A content and allows other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid. Number 4. Yogurt. Yogurt, especially the kind that has live and active cultures, can stimulate your immune system to help fight diseases. It's also a great source of vitamin D, which helps regulate the immune system and boost our body's natural defenses against diseases. Number 3. Almonds. When it comes to preventing and fighting off colds, vitamin E tends to take a backseat to vitamin C. However, vitamin E is key to a healthy immune system. Almonds, being high in this fat-soluble vitamin, along with healthy fats, are great for keeping your immune defenses up. Number 2. Turmeric. This bright yellow spice has been used for years as an anti-inflammatory agent in treating both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Curcumin, the compound that gives turmeric its color, can help decrease muscle damage induced by exercise and boost immune cell activity. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. But where it really excels is in its levels of epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, another powerful antioxidant. EGCG has been shown to enhance immune function, and green tea is also a good source of the amino acid L-theanine, which may aid in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your T cells. So, there you have it. 10 incredible foods that can help boost your immunity and keep you feeling strong and healthy. Remember, a balanced diet is key to a robust immune system, so be sure to incorporate a variety of these foods into your meals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Streak for more health tips and tricks.